Welcome to today's review where we're diving into a vintage icon with a modern twist, the 2025 Chevrolet C10. This truck brings nostalgia with its classic design, combined with new-age technology and performance that only a 2025 model can offer. So buckle up as we take a close look at its exterior, interior, performance, and pricing. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Chevrolet C10 stays true to its roots, offering that rugged, vintage charm that fans of the original C10 know and love. The truck's design retains the bold and aggressive front grille with that classic, boxy silhouette that defines a lot of the older Chevy trucks. However, the 2025 version comes with modern LED headlights and sleek, angular lines that give it a sharper, more refined look. The iconic Chevrolet bowtie sits proudly in the center of the grille, while the body is sculpted to give it a muscular, yet elegant appearance. The truck's body is made from a blend of high-strength steel and lightweight composite materials, making it durable without adding unnecessary weight. There's also a choice of stunning colors, from the traditional reds and blues to more modern metallic finishes. Moving on to the wheels, the 2025 C10 has an updated suspension system that ensures a smooth ride, even on rough terrain. It rides on 18-inch wheels with bold finishes, and for those looking for a more customized look, there are a variety of aftermarket options available to match your style. The truck also features a slightly lowered stance compared to the original C10, adding to its street presence while maintaining its vintage appeal. The rear end includes modern LED tail lights, while the chrome bumpers and detailed trim maintain that classic Chevrolet aesthetic. Now, let's step inside this vintage beast. The 2025 C10 interior is where things get really exciting. While it retains the classic dashboard layout, Chevrolet has infused the cabin with a modern touch, mixing retro styling with cutting-edge technology. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather or premium fabric, offering comfort and support for long drives or off-road adventures. The dashboard itself keeps that old-school design with analog dials for speed and fuel, but it now includes a large, user-friendly touchscreen display at the center for easy access to media, navigation, and vehicle settings. The integration of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto means you can seamlessly connect your smartphone for hands-free control. The steering wheel, wrapped in leather, features modern buttons and controls for audio and cruise control, keeping everything easily accessible. In terms of comfort, the truck offers adjustable seating, climate control, and even a heated steering wheel, ensuring you're comfortable no matter the weather outside. The sound system is top-notch, with a premium audio setup that provides crystal-clear sound, enhancing the overall driving experience. And don't forget about storage. The C10 has a generous amount of cargo space, along with clever compartments throughout the interior for stashing smaller items. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Chevrolet C10 packs a punch. Under the hood, you'll find a variety of engine options, including a robust V8 engine that pays homage to the power the C10 was once known for. This engine provides impressive torque and acceleration, making it perfect for both urban driving and off-road adventures. If you're looking for something with a little more fuel efficiency, there's also a V6 option that balances power with better gas mileage, without sacrificing performance. The truck comes with an updated suspension system and advanced shock absorbers, giving it a smooth and stable ride, whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating through tough terrain. For handling, Chevrolet has incorporated a modern four-wheel drive system that ensures excellent traction on a variety of surfaces, making this C10 perfect for adventure lovers who want to take their vintage truck off the beaten path. The braking system is also more advanced, with disc brakes at all four corners, ensuring reliable stopping power even under heavy loads. The overall driving experience is both smooth and engaging, with a comfortable yet confident feel behind the wheel. As for fuel economy, the 2025 Chevrolet C10 is a bit more efficient than its predecessors, thanks to modern engine technologies. Expect something in the range of 18 to 22 miles per gallon depending on the engine and driving conditions, which is a significant improvement over the older C10 models. When it comes to safety, the 2025 C10 is equipped with modern features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. These systems are a significant upgrade over the vintage models, ensuring that the new C10 is just as safe as it is stylish. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Chevrolet C10 is a premium offering, given its blend of modern technology and classic appeal. Base models start around $50,000, with higher trims and additional features like off-road packages and luxury upgrades pushing the price closer to $65,000. If you're looking for a fully loaded, high-performance version, you can expect the price to climb even further. Of course, the cost will vary depending on the region and dealership, but for a vintage truck with modern amenities, the 2025 C10 is a solid investment. In conclusion, the 2025 Chevrolet C10 is a perfect blend of the past and the present. It maintains the iconic, rugged charm of the classic C10 while offering modern performance, comfort, and technology that make it an ideal choice for today's drivers. Whether you're a fan of the vintage style or just looking for a powerful and reliable truck, the 2025 C10 delivers on all fronts. If you're ready to step into the future of classic trucks, this is one vehicle you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching this detailed review of the 2025 Chevrolet C10. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews and automotive content. Let us know in the comments below what you think of this modern take on a classic truck. See you in the next one.